Hello everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. Today I'm going to take a recipe from Hormel, and I made this several times and it's very good. This is inexpensive and it's great to make. Now if you love chili, buy Hormel, and if you love beef tamales, you will absolutely love this. Now nobody can beat homemade tamales. We all agree homemade tamales are the best. But if you don't have the time, Hormel makes a very good tamale. And so today we're going to make this casserole. Now the ingredients that you will need are clover, I'm using Clover Valley, Mexican style blend cheese. You will need 1 can of Hormel chili with beans. You will also need 1 can of Hormel tamales and beef and chili sauce. Now I do have some green onion here, and that is to top it after it's done. That's a garnish. It's going to be topped with when it's done. Now if you can't eat green onions, you can have, like sweet onion, or you can have a white onion, whatever onion you like. Now Hormel does make a chicken tamale. Now if you want to use that, now they do also have a, now if you want to use that instead, they do have a chicken tamale, okay? Now I've seen these at the Dollar Tree. So if you like this better, you can use this. Now they do have, I believe, a chicken chili as well. So you can use that combination if you prefer to use that instead of the beef. Now, if you're wondering if Hormel makes a white chicken chili, it says yes, they do. It says yes, Hormel makes a product called Hormel 100% natural white chicken chili with beans. So they do have white chicken chili. So if you don't want to use the beef, you can also use chicken. So now our first step that we're going to do is I'm going to open up the can of Hormel chili and I'm going to put it in our dish. That's the first step. What I've done is I've taken our Hormel chili right here with beans, and I've opened up the can and put it at the bottom of the dish right here. Now I'm going to open up the Hormel tamales. I'm going to take the paper off of them. You have to take the paper off. And then I'm going to place the tamales on top of our chili. Now what I've done is I've used the sauce too as well, because the tamale sauce is very good in the Hormel beef tamale. So I put that on top of our chili as well. Now what I've done is I've taken the papers off and I've placed our tamales on top of, our chili, our Hormel chili. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take, and you can use however much cheese you want. We're going to take our Mexican style blend cheese, and I'm just going to put this over top of this. I've put our Mexican style blend cheese on in right here, and this is, I put a little bit too much, but who doesn't love chili and cheese?
Yummy,
so
I do.
anyways, this is going to bake in our oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're going to cook this for like 25 to 30 minutes in the oven. Now I have our green onions. I've washed these. I've cut these on up, took all the stuff off. Anyways, I'm going to cut these on up, and then after our stuff comes out of the oven, I'm going to let it rest, for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to top it with green onions. Now, like I said, if you don't like green onions, you can use a different onion. You can use a Vidala sweet or a white onion. Now I have just taken this out of the oven. We cooked this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I only cooked it for 25 minutes in my oven. It is boiling hot. So I'm just letting this rest for 5 minutes, and then after that I'm going to cut this and serve it. And I'm going to top it with green onion. Now you can choose, if you want to top it with an onion, fine, you don't have to. Or you can put anything else on it. If you want to put peppers on it, or chilies, or if you want to top it with any type of like salsa, you can do anything with this. This dish you can never ever go wrong with. But it's fast, it's convenient, and it doesn't take much to make. Now look how good that looks. This is just one tamale. It's got chili and cheese, and I topped it with some green onion. I want to thank everybody for watching this video. I also want to thank all the subscribers. Please click the subscribe button if you're watching this video for the first time. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. It really does help out our channel. Also, click the bell and the notification so that way every time I come on, you know. Again, thank you for watching our video. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.